Alan Tittle here, Cleveland medical malpractice lawyer. One of the most common questions we get is, Alan, how do I know how to choose the best medical malpractice lawyer in Cleveland? Or, how do I know how to choose the top medical malpractice lawyer in the state of Ohio? Well, first of all, there's a few things that I would look for. But before I get into that, you need to know that per our ethical rules, we cannot say that we specialize in medical malpractice. However, as a consumer, the first thing that I'd want to know is, as a lawyer, what is your focus? In other words, what is your practice focused on? Are you doing a divorce one day, a DUI the next, and then the third a personal injury case? Or is your focus, in terms of your practice, on personal injury and medical malpractice cases? If it is, then that would be the first thing I would check off. The second thing I would ask is, have you actually went to trial in medical malpractice cases? These cases rarely go to trial, but oftentimes, in order to hold that doctor or that hospital accountable, you need to hold their feet to the fire and go to a jury. So the second thing I would ask, have you actually tried medical malpractice cases? The third thing that I would look for is, do you actually keep up with the latest trends of practice? So in other words, do you just sit back, you don't learn the new tricks, or are you innovative in your practice? And are you innovative in prosecuting these medical malpractice cases? Things like electronic medical records, audit trails, these things are always changing. You need to be up on the latest trends in medicine in order to successfully prosecute medical malpractice cases. And finally, I would take a look at past client reviews. Are former clients of that lawyer happy with what they got? And if they are, the next step is to simply, do you connect with that lawyer? If you are going to hire a lawyer to prosecute a claim for the death of your wife, the death of your mother, you better feel comfortable with that person. I hope that gave some guidance on how to choose the best medical malpractice lawyer for you and your family. If you have any other questions, please visit our website or give us a call, 216-285-9991. I'm Alan Tittle, Cleveland's medical malpractice lawyer. Take care.